Now once again, class 10th CBSE. We are moving towards the annual examination. So let's discuss about some important questions which may be occur in the question paper of the annual examination. One type of question is there that is called the assertion and reason. Now what is assertion and reason? It is actually this one question with the two statements are there. One statement is called the assertion and one is called the reason. हमें ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि what is assertion and what is reason. Assertion it means a forceful statement. Forceful statement मतलब एक निश्चित, एक दृढ़ या एक दावा जो कि बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. अगर कोई ऐसा स्टेटमेंट है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द असर्शन. एंड रीज़न, रीज़न का मतलब होता है जजमेंट. जजमेंट इज द कारण. अगर वो स्टेटमेंट जो रीज़न दिया हुआ है असर्शन को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, असर्शन के मीनिंग को क्लियर कर रहा है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द रीज़न. So these are the two words, that is assertion means the forceful statement and reason means the judgment. So you have to remind it very carefully. Now what are the rules? Rules for to solve this type of the question. There are 5 options given in that. That is called the rules to follow or the key to answer the assertion reason based question. Now what is these 5 keys? First is the A. Both assertion and reason are correct. एंड रीज़न इज़ करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द असर्शन. असर्शन और रीज़न दोनों करेक्ट होगा और जो रीज़न होगा वो असर्शन को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करेगा. लुक एट हियर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. assertion. Assertion which is expressed with the help of the capital A. What is the assertion given here? The inner lining of small intestine has numerous finger like projection called villi. हमारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का जो इनर लाइनिंग होता है उसमें बहुत सारे हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस होते हैं, फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन होते हैं, इसको हम बोलते हैं विली. इट इज़ ट्रू? यस, इट इज़ अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. इट इज़ अ असर्ट स्टेटमेंट और इट इज़ अ फोर्सफुल स्टेटमेंट विच इज़ निश्चित और करेक्ट है, बिल्कुल दावा के साथ ये करेक्ट है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न गिवन हियर? Reason, the villi increase the surface area for absorption. Yes, villi, what is the function of the villi? Villi increase the surface area of the absorption. It means both the statement is correct. Both the statement means assertion and reason both are correct, and reason actually explain the function of the assertion. So what is the answer here? Here answer is the A. Now see the second rule or second key, B. If both assertion and reason are correct, असर्शन और रीज़न दोनों करेक्ट होगा, दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह पर करेक्ट है, लेकिन रीज़न असर्शन को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है. रीज़न जो है असर्शन का करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. अगर ये कंडीशन है देन ऑप्शन बी इज़ द आंसर. सी हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Assertion, the opening and closing of pore is the function of guard cell. Guard cell it is responsible for closing and opening of the pore. Pore, what is the pore? Pore is the stomata. So stomata, opening or closing of stomata is completely performed by the guard cell. So the statement is correct. Now see the reason. Stomatal pore are the site for exchange of gases by diffusion. Yes, it is also correct. Stomatal pore help in the gases exchange of the carbon dioxide and oxygen from atmosphere to in and out process. It is also correct. But the second reason is explain the function of the assertion. No, the second reason is not give any clue how the stomatal pore is open. So both the statement is correct, but the reason not explain the property of the assertion. So what answer is here? Answer is the B. Now see, if assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. Okay, both the sentences given there, one is correct and one is incorrect. We have to check. Now move toward the question number 3. Now what is the question number 3? Assertion, diffusion does not mean high energy requirement of multicellular organism. Okay, that is correct. Diffusion does not meet high energy requirement of multicellular organisms. Yes, diffusion multicellular organisms के energy need को पूरा नहीं कर सकता. Okay, now what reason is given here? Diffusion is a fast process but occur only on the surface of the body. No, diffusion is a very slow process. It means it also not occur on the surface of the body only. So it means this statement is wrong. So what is the answer here? Here answer is the option number 3. Assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. Now next question, fourth option, fourth key is there. If assertion is incorrect but reason is correct. Now move towards the next question. Next question is the question number 4. Now what is the assertion given here? Pyruvate is a 6 carbon molecule. Is this correct? No, It is wrong. Pyruvate is a 3 carbon molecule. Must remember, it is a process called the glycolysis, and end of the glycolysis we get the 2 molecule. Carbon 6 is break down into 2 pyruvic acid or 2 pyruvate. It means the pyruvate is a carbon 3 molecule. It means assertion is wrong. Now what about the reason? Reason में देखो क्या है? It is prepared in the cytoplasm as the first step of cellular respiration. Yes, pyruvate is prepared in the cytoplasm only. First step of the respiration, that means in the end of the glycolysis. So what has happened here? Here the assertion is wrong, but the reason is correct. So what is the answer here? According to the key, the answer is D. And last is given there when both assertion and the reason are incorrect. Okay, now look, let's move towards the question number 5. Saliva contain pepsin enzyme? No, saliva contains amylase enzyme or ptyalin enzyme. And what is the role of that amylase? It is responsible for the digestion of the carbohydrate. And the reason is given there. Pepsin digests lipid? No, pepsin digests the protein. Pepsin is the proteinous enzyme. It digests the protein. It means both the statement is incorrect. It means what is the answer here? Here answer is the E. So this is a question number 5 that we get the answer of the E, where both the assertion and reason is wrong. Let's move back. Question number 3. Assertion diffusion does not meet high energy requirement of multicellular organisms. Yes, this statement is correct. Diffusion is a fast process but occur only in the surface of the body. No, this statement is wrong. So what is the answer for this? Answer is assertion is correct but reason is wrong, and reason is also given here that diffusion is a very slow process and can't meet the energy requirement of multicellular organisms. That you know very well. And one option is also there, that is, for example, if an oxygen molecule travel from lungs to toe by diffusion, it will take 3 years to reach there. So it is a very slow process. Diffusion is not a fast process. One more question. Assertion, pyruvate is a 6 carbon molecule. No, assertion is wrong because pyruvate is a 3 carbon molecule. But the reason is correct, as we know that at the end of the glycolysis pyruvate is formed. So assertion is incorrect and the pyruvate 3 carbon molecule, so it is incorrect, but the reason is correct here. See more question. That is the question number 1. Assertion, the inner lining of a small intestine has numerous finger-like projection called villi. Yes, it is correct. The villi increase the surface area for absorption. Yes, it is also correct. So see the answer here, both the statement is correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 2. The opening and closing of pore is the function of guard cell. Yes, it is a function of the guard cell. Stomatal pore are the site for exchange of gases by diffusion. Yes, it is a site for the exchange of gases by diffusion, but this two statement is not correlated to each other. So the answer is both are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So this is all about the assertion and reason. Must go through this video continuously, learn or understand all the term properly. Then I must give some question for your practice also. It's all from here. Bye bye.